Hello guys, welcome to the video demo of Pcap2Air tool. As the name suggests, Pcap2Air actually transmits the Pcap file onto the air. Air being the wireless interface, IEEE 802.11 wireless interface. The Pcap2Air file will actually retransmit the file, which is a Pcap file, onto the wireless interface. This is a part of Airbase suite of products. Let's first see the command line options supported by Pcap2Air tool, and then we will see the demo of Pcap2Air. With -- help, we'll be able to see the options, command line options supported by Pcap2Air tool. First option is -I interface. This is the interface on which you want to replay the Pcap file. Currently I am using Atheros based wireless cards. So I will give ATH0 as my interface. -R driver options, which drivers are to be used to inject the packets. Third option is -F file name. The Pcap file name which you want to re-inject on the wireless side, you have to give that file with -F option. Next option is -C channel, on which channel you want to inject the packet. Next is -N count, how many times you want to inject these packets. -W delay, the delay between two packets. If you want to input the delay in microseconds, you can use UX or X for seconds. Now this is the beauty of Pcap2Air. You can actually override the destination address, source address and BSSID of the packet. So if you want to transmit all the packets from some destination address, you can actually use this. You will wonder why to fiddle up with the packets, why to change BSSID, destination or source MAC. For the simple reason, to get the replies. Now Pcap2Air tool can be used for cracking the web key to enhance the traffic in the wireless medium. If you have captured a single packet, say a ARP request packet, you know that if you re-inject that ARP request again and again on the wireless side, someone will reply with the ARP response and you will get lots and lots of new packets every time with new initialization vectors. So in that case, probably if you need, you can change the destination, source or BSSID. If you want to change the sequence number, you can override sequence number with -Q option. Let's see a quick demo of Pcap2Air. Now I have actually captured one file, beacon.cap. Let's open this beacon.cap file first with the help of Wireshark tool. Let me open beacon.cap. Now beacon.cap file actually contains a beacon from source address some D-link to a broadcast address. Okay, now let's re-inject this beacon packet. So I have to use Pcap2Air. I'm using Atheros card, so my interface is -I ATH0. My drivers are MAD Wi-Fi drivers, so I have to specify my drivers as -R MAD Wi-Fi. My file name is beacon.cap. I want to inject these packets on say channel 6. I have given channel 6. I want to use count as 1000. I want to re-inject these packets 1000 times. So I'm using -N as 1000. I don't want to mention any delay. Let Pcap2Air choose the default delay. And yes, I want to change my destination MAC. Say 0011111111. That's it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. I want to change destination MAC. I don't want to change source MAC or BSSID or sequence number or anything. Let me in advance design the filter so that I will be able to see the packets. Say w1.addr content 001111 and let me apply the filter and let's start Pcap2Air. It is now actually sending the packets and cool. Now I am able to capture all these packets. Now see, our initial packet was D-link source MAC, a beacon to destination MAC as FFFF. And now I have successfully able to transmit this packet to some other destination MAC which I just now chosen. Now my destination MAC, if you see, is 00111111 all ones. Okay. So Pcap2Air has actually retransmitted the Pcap file onto wireless interface, and with the help of overriding options, I was able to actually override the destination. Similar way, you can override source and BSS ID or sequence number to actually pinpoint the packet change, so that lots of other packets can be generated. Now, what other use of this Pcap2Air? Many times wireless engineers and wireless researchers want to require to re-inject a similar packet again and again. Now, to create that packet from the wireless infrastructure is not a simple thing. You want to configure the AP, you have to configure AP, you have to configure client, and then by some weird means you have to generate that packet. Instead, if you can generate that packet once, and with the Pcap2Air you can re-inject that packet again and again to simulate some kind of behavior. So it is very handy tool for wireless researchers as well. Thank you for this video. Feel free to explore other videos on securitytube.net. Thank you.